Traditional aeration fails. Bubbles float, suffocating bottom fish or shrimp. Ditch old ways. This pure oxygen ceramic air disc saver. Fine bubbles linger. No waste. Boosts dissolved oxygen. Ends surface oxygen. Bottom hypoxia. Oxygen needs full dissolution. Full oxygen dissolution. The cone cuts 50% waste. Doubles efficiency. Clarifies water. Reduces diseases. Uneven pond aeration. The aeration pusher outperforms old models. Aerates plus circulates. Spreads oxygen evenly. Gathers fish, shrimp, saves feed. Speeds growth. Quit inefficient aeration. 3 tools. Ceramic disc bottom oxygen. Pusher even plus gather. Fish or shrimp never lack. Farming hassle free.